Hello everyone, back with Dennis. Today I got a great news that I need to share with everybody. Are you ever interested in learning animation but too hard and don't know where to start? Fear not, because today I got you the solution. And if it seems like I've been taking a lot of caffeine shots, well, it's not. It's because I'm so excited for this course. It is so great and so useful for everyone in any skill bracket. A Blender artist from P2 Design just released this new course, this animation course, from zero to hero. Everything you need to know are in this video or in this course. You don't need to know anything about animation. He will teach you that. You don't know how to put a keyframe on. He will teach you how to put a keyframe on. Whatever you see here is from the course, so you get everything. 8 chapters, 153 videos, over 28 hours of content, so you can learn a lot from this, complete with English subtitles. You get all the characters and the rigs, so you can learn the rigs, you can learn the model, the UVs, and everything. And this course will teach you from the basic ball rig animations, to a quadruple animals, to a mech, to a humanoid characters, everything. So you can implement this into your future projects, any projects, because you learn everything in here. And for right now, you can get this with 25% discount from $80 to just $60. With everything that you learn, $60 is actually a steal. Even in $80 is still a steal. Still a steal? Yeah, you got what I mean. So without any further ado, go into the link in the description and get this right now, because you will need it. No matter who you are, an animator, professional animator, artist animator, or any other profession that need even a little animation, this will benefit you a lot. And so that's all from me today. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Later.